It's alright, give it a little more gas and don't let the clutch out all the way, just let it keep slipping. You'll be fine. Hold it in until it's actually running. Make sure you give it much lighter clutch and more fuel, more gas, because you're on this sod. Yeah, you can feel it. Just don't let it out all the way, otherwise it'll die on you like that.
Why?
Because the engine doesn't like to go slow when it's fully engaged. It's not enough force to keep the pistons moving. Good job. Light on it.
I don't even understand how it
Just by your weight. What I want you to do when you're grabbing this, put your hand on it. Don't start with your hand high. Start with your hand low. So start like that. That way if you do slip, you don't turn it too far because your wrist only goes so far, right? So keep your hand nice and low like that. It's okay. Just start it again. So remember, less clutch and more gas, and it won't do that.
This is too hard.
That's all right. Somewhere in between, but don't start it high. You got it.
I'm like,
I know. Just much less clutch, and it'll keep going. And just stay on the grass, so make nice big loops around. There's plenty of room for turning. Yeah, stay on the grass, don't go on the pavement yet. More gas. More gas. It's alright, just start it right back up.
I give it more gas.
No, hold it. Don't keep hitting it. Just hold it.
I was holding it.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, let me see. Do it. Don't let go until it starts. There you go. It's pretty sensitive. You'll get it. And try to keep your head up. Don't look at the bike too much. That way you can see where you're going. Annoying, huh? Good restart. More gas. It's alright.
Is not
Somebody liked it. More gas. Oh. You can do it. Just try to get it started right away. If you're going to start it, get it started right away. Otherwise the battery's drained by the lights. much gas as you want. You can let the clutch out slow, and you'll see, as long as you're being light on that clutch, it's not going to go fast.
Or won't go anywhere.
If you're in gear, it will. It's just that the clutch hasn't started gripping yet. More gas, more gas. There you go. Good job. It's not easy to ride on the grass. More gas. More gas. More throttle. You got it. Good job. Good job, buddy.